My name is Krista Pack. I am the CEO of the Wes Strong Foundation, co-founder, and also most importantly, Wes's mom. We are here today celebrating our 10th annual Wes's Wish Toy Drive for local pediatric cancer families. Families are able to come through today and shop for their families. They can get as many toys as they need to cover their Christmas. And while they're shopping, we're going to wrap their toys up as well. So we take the burden off of them this year for holiday season. My son Wes was diagnosed with neuroblastoma at 5 years old in 2011. And that year he wanted to give all of his toys away to his friends in the clinic fighting cancer next to him. And we kind of sparked the idea of starting a toy drive for them. And it's grown exponentially in the last 10 years, whereas now we're able to provide Christmas for all of the children and the families. And this weekend we are supporting more than 130 local Hampton Roads children. This weekend we are hosting our event at Aviation Institute of Maintenance here in Norfolk. They provided us with the venue and have been very supportive in collecting and raising money for this cause. They have partnered with us for this entire event and we couldn't have done it without them. I'd like to say thank you to anyone who has helped contribute and make this event happen. These families, they struggle every day, fighting for their child's life, even on a regular day without COVID involved. And this year has been extra hard on these families. So I wanted to say thank you personally, because without you, this wouldn't be possible. If you'd like to help out and volunteer with the foundation, you can go to www.wesstrong.org, or you can find us on Facebook under the Wes Strong Foundation. We do this event as well as other things throughout the year to support the families in the area.